So I just want to quickly jump on and do a quick analysis of today's markets. So we sent out a long on the FTSE today, this morning. Basically, purely all it was we picked out our sell zone and buy zone on the FTSE, and we waited for a rejection of the buy zone. This is a 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. And we had a nice rejection on the 5-minute chart here, and then a couple more candles. We got in on this second bullish engulfing on the 5-minute, targeting the sell zone. Our TP1 was from the previous high from earlier on this morning. So that's our reasoning for that long. It's still going quite well, so we might move our take profit up to there. So currently in some good pips at the moment on that. Gold pretty much exactly the same. We put our buy zone and our sell zone set up. Currently it touched our buy zone at 2 in the morning, and then again at 5:45, or this before we'd done our analysis, so we couldn't get in there. We were asleep, unfortunately. So again, throughout the day, I haven't traded gold today, but we've now got an ascending wedge, so we should see some sort of break out the wedge or break underneath the wedge for our direction. So we're holding off on gold at the moment. And euro dollar, we've done our analysis here. It's sort of and ahhing about around the 1.6 level, but yesterday was great because when we done our analysis yesterday, we were saying about any sort of rejection off the 1.15 level, and it did that massively. Two massive green candles there, which is fantastic. So we're just going to see how it reacts at the 1.6. It might want to retest the lows again of the 1.5, but we'll see what happens there. If it does break out, our next level of interest on the upside is probably going to be the 1.7 level. So if we mark out the 1.7 level, which is there, so that's our next area of interest on the euro dollar. So if we go to pound yen, go to the 15, let's go to the 15 minutes. So this was our long from Monday. It's now hovering. We inputted this new intraday level of support at the 2123 level. So this is our sort of range now on that. So we're gonna, if this holds, then we should see another push to the upside. I'm still in my long from February the 24th, so we'll see how that goes, how that happens, and how that pans out at the end. But I'm looking to come out towards the end of the week, so see what happens with that. Regarding news this week, let's see the calendar. So tomorrow is Wednesday, the 25th of March. It's got Aussie news, CPI for the UK, so this could move the FTSE. We could see some big moves on the FTSE going into the open or during Asia tonight. So we'll do our analysis on that tomorrow morning, and that's about it. So that's not looking too bad. Let's look at oil. Obviously, that's a big mover at the moment. Oil is all over the place because of the war in Iran. Let's take this out of there. Have a look at oil. I haven't actually looked at it for a few days, so this is a daily chart. So it is creeping back up a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so we've got a nice wedge on oil here. So let's see what happens with the oil. It's currently at 91, 92 level, and it was on Monday. Yeah, so yesterday it dropped because of Trump's tweet about holding off any more strikes, which I think was a load of rubbish because they're saying that that conversation never happened. So, but let's see what happens here. We don't trade gold anyway, but it's from the highs of last week, 10 days ago, from 120 and 116, now down to 91. It's pretty, it's quite a big drop, which is good. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin on here. So Bitcoin did move up. That's our key level resistance, which we put in there last week. It's now back into this previous range of ours. So see how it sticks in here. So went up to 75, 76 is now back down to 70. So this 70 level, let's mark out the 70 level on this because that is a big key area of interest. It's 70,000 as it's a nice whole number. And it's been used previously. Maybe not so much there, but there. So 1, 2, 3, down 4, 5, 6. So let's keep that level in on our charts just so we got an idea of where that is. Let's do the area. So the area is from 69,948 to 70.5. So go back to the hour. Any sort of rejection of this level, and then could see some more downside moves. Go to the daily chart. We could probably put a ascending trend line in there as well to help us out. Yeah, so that's Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin anyway, but it's just nice to have it there, and so we know what's going on. Right, that's that. It's short and sweet, this one, but I hope it was helpful, and see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe and share so more people get to see our analysis. If you want to join our Discord, it's 50% off still till the end of the week. So silver starts at £50, gold starts at 100. You get all of this every morning. We get about 4 to 5 analysed trades every morning. I'll just quickly show you an example of that now. So our daily analysis, this is what you get every morning, in-depth analysis on the markets every morning. So that's pretty helpful. We've had a lot of feedback saying it's very helpful. So 50 off for silver, 50 off G for gold, and please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video.